On two up. Do your elbow a bit higher, yeah? Nice. When you throw there, don't keep it like that, but higher. Nice. And then one downstairs. That side. Cool. Jab. 1, 2. I can roll. Slip, slip, roll. Slip, slip, roll. Slip, slip, roll. But that's there. Jab. 1, 2. Back and hook. Back and hook. And roll. That movement there, lad. It's awkward. You're going the wrong way, really. It's awkward for them. But it's quick. 1, 2, hook, roll. Every time, do that. And then you can even do that, but then step through again. So do slow. Bum, bum, bum. There. Step through again. Step through. Step back down again. You know what I mean? So do it slow. Bum, bum, bum. Roll. And then step. Roll off. And then once you're still on the ropes out the corner, go around there again. Yeah. 1, 2, hook, you're here. And then you step through. And you're there then. You know what I mean? In the middle. Yeah. Steady, easy, lad. You know what I mean? Jab. 1, 2. 1, 2. Backhand. That's it, you got my ball. Yeah, lad.
Decision in favour of your winner and boxing out.